Vana vapapa murikuita sei? ZRP has given a stern warning kuma followers Magaya. Nyaya murikuita yabatwa kune 200,000 iri kureizwa na Albertina Saikonda who's based in South Africa. Arikuti vana vese vapapa ngatisei mafanza apa kuti tigogona kutenga mapurisa imari yechoko momwe. ZRP yati aiwa bodo tazvibata uye zvirege zvachose. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Vana vapapa. Meanwhile, kuharare papa vatori muservice ndofunga kuri kupuwa matestimony ekujeri nikani zvinhu zvacho zvakaoma. Regai tiverenge press statement yakapiwa nezuro neZRP. Vakati efforts to defeat or obstruct the course of justice in PhD Ministries leader Walter Magaya's case. The Zimbabwe Republic Police warns individuals and syndicates who have intensified efforts to interfere and in the process defeat or obstruct the course of justice in the ongoing investigations and court appearance of PhD Ministry leader Walter Magaya. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is fully aware of coordinated efforts by a team led by Albertina Saikonda, based in South Africa, to raise funds to the tune of US dollars 200,000 or more in Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Australia. The money will then be used to approach and compromise the police investigators, prosecutors, magistrates, and judges, among others, so as to derail the whole criminal investigations and court proceedings. The Zimbabwean Republic Police therefore warns individuals, groups, and associates that they will be arrested, as the law will definitely take effect without fear or favor. The police is monitoring what is happening with a very keen interest for the effective maintenance of law and order and justice delivery. All potential witnesses should report anyone dangling any form of offers or cash or promises to the police for swift action to be taken. So ZRP yakurumidza kuoffer that statement. Vakati lead us not into temptation. Tinogona kutsvedza. Tiri kuti mari iyi should not be dangled. Zvachose dangling. Mozazo dangla. But anyway, justice has already been bastardized here. The police has gone rogue, writing memos as though they are being written from the addresses of the complainants in this case. Is either someone who expected to benefit from this case among police ranks has not been benefited and is doing the devil's work to frustrate anyone who will likely benefit out of it. Saka iwe Magaya, you think you can bribe ne 200,000? Chagamari ne musoro money. If you want to drop these charges, chakamari yakati chekiti. No interpretation. Irupwa ne manetizens. Arikuti mapurisa arikuti wedwe. 200,000 mashaya uzvimwe here zvokuita saimari makaunza yakati one day can't you issue a statement without warning or threatening people? ZRP, yes, your point may be valid, though I don't think there is any law against raising money for the defense, but there is a better tone to use than that surely. Copy SA police statements. They don't warn or issue public must desist statements in their letters. Be advised accordingly. The people are afraid of being trapped by the said raised funds. Mafambiro arikuita nyaya iyi netizens arikuti this case is well orchestrated by certain people. It is not just a case, it is a well organized case which I believe certain high profile people are behind it. Imwe information ekuti zvinenge zvakaitwa chiwande nyaya dzema 200,000 vanhu vakawanda vanga vasati vadzibata nyaya idzi asi zvanga zvatobuda pachena kuti pane mari dziri kuita exchange hands. The police might be forgetting that the man runs an international ministry with followers as far as Australia to Canada. So these people will definitely chip in financially to help their men of God. I don't know how they intend to stop this. As I'm typing now, someone in China is paying his tithe. Someone in Chicago is buying the anointing oil. Vamwewo vari kutenga maepu. Nasi kuservice inenge chingori mere zvoweja. Vanhu vachiburitsa maenvelope pa. Kozoita wesu stage ngoti mukomana. Imikani zvinhu zvacho zvakaoma. But how do you stop a big organization like that from raising money? Saikonda kana vari treasurer vecheche. But zviri kuratidza kuti vane information yakakurisisa isiri just the basics that we are talking about. kana vaine information yakadai hapasiripo here panopinda vicarious the qui the chichichi amenoka malara law 9 ndo paanofanira kupinda apa. I think if they have this information, why do we warn the public instead of sending a warrant of arrest to the named individuals rather than installing fear that is not necessary? Takutoziva kuti kune ma 200,000, takutoziva kuti zera rapi yanga ichida kupindwa mumwe, isu tati tichigadzirira kuenda ku worship service yapapa tichindochema tiri ikoko. I think that's how it is when someone claims that he or she is a spiritual father who die because he or she will become an orphan child. So the whole judiciary have all along been benefiting from such kind of transactions. Naika, if I know my English well, the one who signed the letter has put it straightforward. Zeterapi, prosecutors and judges have been compromised before their hands are dirty. Zimbabwe is a scam, I tell you. Why specifically the Magaya case? Why don't we have a history of such letters on previous cases? There is a hand of a baboon in this case. The truth will come out. So, ndo zviri kubva. Mune managers ari kuti aiwa guys ka zvinozikamwa kuti pakanzi dangle. Naika mari pane vanodyira ichi game chehove kaichi ukangokanda kawems kakangoti umobato bata. Saka tangogara tapuwa warning kuti pane mari iri kuiswa. Musaisa mari. Nekuti mukaisa mari pane vachavera mutemutete. Nhasi zvangu ndicharohwa ini. Magaya is not the first person to face the judiciary system and is not going to be the last. Let him go through. If he is innocent, he shall be absolved. Even the son of man was absolved one. If guilty, let him honorably face the sanctions. These are wild claims, probably aimed at tainting the accused's reputation in the eyes of the judges and magistrates and may hinder the prospects of a fair judgment because the judiciary is being emotionally pumped and pressurized against the accused, which in a way is unfortunate. Imagine vanhu vanoda kutorwira munhu anofejera O level certificate apedza ipapo obva andofejera kamwe ka PhD kakuti karaime nezita recheche yake. What kind of role model is that? Vana vapapa ini ndiri kungovereka. Please don't shoot the message. Bodo ini ndiri kuvereka ma message yenyu. Aiwa manyanyisa chaizvo kuda kundinetsa imi pano. It's embarrassing as a nation to have police officials alleging that the judiciary can be bribed. That statement in itself puts a critical component on the government in disrespect. The statement itself puts a critical component of the government in disrepute, and whoever wrote it must be brought to book. So guys, what if the funds being raised yekubhdharira malawyer chete? Angati mari ichaenda kuma bribe. Ndiani kovedwe kuda kungopindira munyaya zvisati zvanyatsogadzirika. Guys, magays mauti millionaire 200,000 ingoriwo mari shoma. Imariwo dzevanhu vari kungoda kumirawo napapa. Zeterapi haisi yamanya here kuburitsa statement iri vachifunga kuti mari iri kuya mumwe mavo. Ngatinzwisisanei tichindofarisa nyaya iyi. Zeterapi yati, please tapota woye, musaraise mari muchida kuobstructa justice. Musakanda zvimari zvenyu pamberi pamapurisa namajaji. Batai mari dzenyu, mubate hana dzenyu, mubate zvamunofunga kuti mungarwira papa muchiita. Mumirire majaji nesystem yacho kuti iweke smoothly. Mukasadaro guys, pinda mujeri. Touya takukuvigirai mapedzi koko.